Viral Science, the home of creativity.
Hey friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to review WLTOYS A959 4-wheel drive off-road buggy. This buggy is sponsored by Banggood.com. So this is the WLTOYS A959 RC 4-wheel drive off-road buggy. It is listed for $84.99 US. It is equal to 6,368 Indian rupees. So here are some specifications of this car. This car has a top speed of 70 km per hour. This car can be controlled in a range around 100 meters. Links to buy this car is in the description down below, so you can check it out. So this was the another product sent by Banggood.com. It is the Fly Sky neck strap. So let's unbox both of these products. So first we will start with the neck strap. This strap comes with a hook that can be connected with the transmitter. You can also adjust the size of this belt through this. So let's connect it to our radio transmitter. So this is the place where you can connect the neck strap. I will connect it and show you. This strap will help you from falling the transmitter from your hand. So here comes the buggy. Let's take an overview of the box. On the side you can see some warnings. On the other side there is an image of the buggy and some brandings. And here you can see some other models of this car. We have the A959 model B buggy. So let's open the box and see what we get. So at the top we have got this instruction manual. So here is the car. So here is the car with fat tires and awesome look. So inside the box we have got the transmitter. There is also another box inside this. I think so this will be a charger for the batteries. So let's open up the box. There it is. You have got the adapter and this is the LiPo charger. We have also got a tool inside this packet. This helps to tighten the screws on the buggy. There are two clips on the buggy to remove this top panel. Let's take a look at this interior of the buggy. So here comes the LiPo battery. This is 7.4 volt 1500 mAh LiPo battery. Here is the on off switch. Here is the antenna. This is the motor. This motor controls all the four wheels of this car. Here on the other side you can see the servo motor. This servo motor is used for turning of this car. This buggy has good shock ups. So now we will charge our LiPo battery. So let's take a look at the transmitter. It has a trigger for forward and backward direction and a wheel to rotate the car. You have also got these four buttons on the transmitter to adjust the throttle and some other values. This is the battery compartment of the transmitter. You will need 4 AA batteries. This is the on and off button of the transmitter. So now our battery is fully charged. Let's place it inside the car. Now we will connect these T connectors and switch on the car. After switching on, you can see the LED indicating here. Let's take this car outdoors and do some awesome stunts with this. It's very important to clean this car. As you can see, it has catch so much of dust and mud outdoors. I'm using a dry brush to remove this dust. I hope you guys like this video. Now let's take a look at some stunts failure moments of this car.
Do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification for new video.